What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Tyler. Here we have the sandworm. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And today we're going to be doing a little quick install. Lasfit has sponsored me on all the rear LED replacement lights, and I'll post that video in the description below so you guys can go check that out. Replacing all your brake lights, reverse lights, third brake light, cargo lights, all that. They sent me those bulbs out. They've been great to work with, and they sent me out a new bed liner. If you guys have been around since I got the truck, you know that I've had a bed liner in here. But Lasfit sent theirs out for me to try, and I'm gonna give it a shot. And we're gonna see how it compares to the I don't even think there's a brand. It just came from Amazon. We're gonna see how the Lasfit one compares to that. They did give me a warning, which I already assumed this was gonna be this way because it's folded up in here. When you put it in the bed, it's gonna be wrinkly and stuff. You're gonna have to let it bake out in the sun for a while. Well, here it's it's 54 degrees, so it's gonna take a while for this to bake out. But I have a heat gun. We're gonna see if that works. But anyways, we're gonna see how this fits. We're gonna see the material, and yeah, we'll just see how it compares to the other one. So let's go ahead and roll the intro. I'm gonna get this box cut open, and we're gonna pull it out, check it out, and then compare it to that one. So here we go. Alright guys, so it's actually pretty heavy, can't lift it like that. Let's go ahead and pull this out of here. Oh, I can already tell there's like a better texture to it. This is like your manual and warranty stuff. I can already tell straight out of the box this one is more heavy duty than the previous one. And even though they sponsor this channel, I'm gonna give my honest opinion on this. This is definitely way more heavy duty. It looks like it's folded up in 3 pieces. It's kind of got a joint here. Let me just get this other one. Like this other one is I don't know how to explain it. Like the texture on the Lasfit one is like 10 times better. I don't know how to explain it. But anyways, we're just gonna slide this in. I'm gonna get up here and knock it down a little bit. I've got some straps here that make some of my carbon boxes up here. So if this were, like I said, it's not going to lay out flat right away. But if I push down on these, it's a perfect cut fit. So definitely a good option. I'll link these below. I'll link you guys to their website as well as the Amazon link for this, because you can find this one on Amazon as well. Yeah, quick install to show you the product. I'll do some close-ups real quick and do some B-roll while I talk about it, but it's a snug fit. It's perfectly shaped to the curves of the truck. It's perfectly cut up there, the perfect length. You probably have about this much space right there, which is enough to close the bed up. And this is a very non-slip surface, so I'll put my tackle box up there. It's not gonna slide down. And with these 3 sections here, if it hits those, it's gonna stop. So pretty much have 3 sections. You can set stuff where it's not going to slide past those, which is good, especially if you want to keep stuff easily accessible up here, keep stuff that you don't get to as much further up in the bed. Yeah, it's good quality. But like I said, this is a short video. Honestly, I carry stuff in here all the time. I have my mountain bike gear, fishing gear, camping gear. There's always stuff back here. So it will definitely get put to use. I will, let this bake in the sun for a little bit so that it can flatten out how it's supposed to. But other than that, I mean, it fits really good. So I hope you guys like the video. Order you one of these, even if you have a bed liner. The benefit of these, even with a bed liner, is that non-slip surface. So bed liners, they're still kind of slick, stuff slides around. These are like a rubber, plasticky material, and the texture on it, it's like a basketball is what it feels like. It's not gonna let stuff slide around. So that's the benefit of this, and you protect your bed liner. Bed liners are expensive. I feel like for $95 is what I saw these on Amazon. For $95, that's not a lot to pay to protect the $600 bed liner you paid to get sprayed in. So definitely worth it. Just an extra layer of protection for your bed, non-slip, perfect form for these canyons and Colorados. And that's it. So make sure you guys like and subscribe. I'm gonna link all this stuff below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm about to get loaded up for a camping trip, so that video will be out soon.